Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. I am Kalam and in this video I am totally explore you how to create a website using AI in just 2 or 3 minutes. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video because every second are very important. Please don't skip any second. At first I am going to hocus.com. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here. This you can see this is a dashboard. Now you need to put your Gmail. I already put my Gmail. Then wait a few seconds. Now what type of website do you need right now? Example of e-commerce website, blogging and e-commerce store, etc. Lots of website pre-template here. You are able to create any website using this website. Now you need to select which type of website do you need right now. Example of I need an e-commerce store, so I select online store. You can choose anyone, this doesn't matter. Now I want to select beauty and wellness. Now I select nail care because I need a nail care service or a product sale website. Now you need to select 3 modified letter because I choose nail art, nail care and nail polish repair. So this 3 is very beautiful. You can choose any others, this doesn't matter. Now I want to sell product. I choose number 1. You can choose any others. Now continue. If you have a physical shop, you can choose number 1. So otherwise, if you don't have a physical store, you can choose number 3. I really recommend you for number 3 because it's really comfortable. Now you can choose your branding name. So I choose MR Kalam BDS. So this is my branding name. You can now for continue, just click here, then wait 2 or 3 seconds. Now I select 3 unique aspects of my business, find friendly service, then 2 others is really good. So click on continue. Now I want to how do you like your website visitor contact you? If you have a phone number, just click number 3. So I want to interest website contact from, just continue. You can choose any others. My website are already ready. Now I need to select expected design. Wow, this is really good. So I want to change second style. Wow, this is also good. So I want to choose number 2. Then you are able to change color options, so I don't need change this color and front. So you can change anything here. This is are customizable. So I click create my website. My website are 90% ready. Just wait a few minutes. Wow, my website are ready. Now if I want to change everything, this is possible because this website allow everything are customizable, everything for changes. So if I want to add a logo, homepage, about us, contact us, gallery, etc, everything are customizable. So I don't need any changes and any others. So if you need any changes and a logo, section and price, everything, so you are able to change anything. So if you have a custom domain, just use your custom domains. This is possible. So I don't have a custom domain, so I choose a free domain. This website offer you a free domain. You can use this website address. This is your own website address. So this link I will attach in description below. I invite you for visiting this website. So I just click for view website. So my website are 100% ready. So if you want to more video about those type of AI technology, chat GPT, make money online, etc., please comment below. I will try reply every comment. So see you next video. Take care.